it's already shown activity in a lot of really compelling animal models that suggest that it could be used for things like diabetic neuropathic pain and also post-herpetic neuralgia.
Welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Dr. Seth Lederman. He is the CEO of Tonix Pharmaceuticals. And Dr. Lederman, good to have you back again. How are you?
I'm well. Thanks for having me on, Steve.
Yeah, so the company out with really interesting news about licensing the global rights to TNX 4900. So we haven't talked very much about this. So maybe you can give us an idea about TNX 4900.
Yeah, thank you, Steve. Tonix really seeks to be the leader in new treatments for chronic pain disorders. And I think we've shown that by getting FDA approval and commercially launching Tonmya, TNX 102SL, sublingual cyclobenzaprine, which is now the first new FDA approved therapy for fibromyalgia in more than 15 years. We really want to take that expertise that we've developed and apply it to new molecules, new treatment paradigms. And we were really excited about the new technology from Rutgers University to make a sigma 1 receptor antagonist. And we've now licensed worldwide rights.
So maybe you can explain what would this be used for? What sort of conditions are you looking at with this particular one?
Yeah, we're going to figure that out as we do more testing, but it's
Mm.
already shown activity in a lot of really compelling animal models that suggest that it could be used for things like diabetic neuropathic pain and also post-herpetic neuralgia. Those are two big chronic pain indications, and we think that there's a big unmet need. A lot of people with those problems take opiates, which they shouldn't take. And we think that with better treatment options out there, we could improve the care of these people.
Dr. Letterman, is it because you mentioned Tonmya and the work that you've done there, does the process of working on something new like this become faster because you've sort of tackled all the hurdles you had to earlier in order to, solve problems, move things along quicker? Has that been helpful for you?
That's exactly it. We are now truly a FIPSI, a fully integrated pharmaceutical company. We took Tonmya from concept to FDA approval and now through launch. So we have unique expertise in studying drugs for chronic pain disorders. Frankly, I don't think that Big Pharma has the patience to work on these complicated problems because the studies are long and it just requires a lot of expertise that we've developed. So we think that we can add a lot of value for this, and we're glad that Rutgers felt that we would be a really good partner for this exciting technology too. And I think that that's a testament to what we've accomplished here at Tonix.
Yeah. So that's TNX 4900. I know we're at the end of 2025. It's been a pretty significant year for the company. And into 2026, it sounds like there's lots of enthusiasm and excitement for what's ahead.
There certainly is. People are really watching carefully to see how our launch goes with Tonmya. And we look forward to updating the market as we get more information. I mean, obviously, there's some amount of prescription data that's available on different services, but we're very excited about the prospects of Tonmya's launch. We think it's a big unmet need. Again, no new fibromyalgia drug in 15 years.
Mm.
And we have something that we think provides a really interesting option to fibromyalgia patients. Like other prescription drugs, it has side effects that are described in the package insert. The most common side effect is some numbness, tongue numbness, and other sensations in the mouth. But overall, we had a low dropout rates in our study and in our studies, and we think that this will be an appealing option for patients.
All right. We look forward to hearing more about that. Dr. Letterman, thank you so much. I appreciate your time today.
Thank you, Steve.
All right. Dr. Seth Letterman, the CEO of Tonix Pharmaceuticals.